Hello, welcome to KSR IAS Academy. Today we shall discuss about the importance of mock tests in UPSC prelims and mains examination. Let us look into an important aspect that most of the aspirants will have very low look upon this mock test. They feel that in the process of preparation, learning is just enough and they don't want to test their learning ability or whether their learning progress is in the right track or not. So in order to do so, you must attend this mock test. Many of the aspirants who succeeded in this examination, they reiterated upon the same aspect that giving test series is very much mandated in order to succeed in this examination. See, let me give you a small sample of 100. If you take 100 aspirants of UPSC, out of 100, 50 just give the examination for the sake of time pass, either for out of family pressure or for the sake of social prestige, etc. And out of 50 will be the serious aspirants. Out of 50, only 20 will get through the examination and 30 will be losing it. See, sometimes some of the students in this 30 will be putting more efforts than this 20 also, but they fail this examination because of lack of practice. Many aspirants recognize the practice session is very much important in interview, but they don't, that's why they give the mock sessions, etc. But they fail to give the enough focus in prelims and mains examination, giving mock tests in these two areas. See, let me discuss the importance of test series. First of all, this test series maintains consistency in your preparation. That is the most important aspect. And it develops speed with accuracy. In the 2 hours examination, if you take GS 100 bits, so you'll be having approximately 1.3 minutes for each bit. So you must maintain speed along with the accuracy. And you know, UPSC is well expert in confusing the aspirants. So you must maintain the speed and accuracy. You will also understand the time management, how to manage this 2 hours crucial amount of time, which determines your long period of hard work, either 1 year, 2 year, whatever time you have invested in. But you must understand the time management. And this also enables faster learning skills. Faster learning skills in the sense like the time bound schedule always keeps the aspirant reading capabilities on track, and test based learning approach is the most important. So in order to appear the test, you'll be learning the syllabus. So that is the most important, covering the entire syllabus in time according to the schedule. And this gives the opportunity for an aspirant for self evaluation. This self evaluation helps him to analyze his strengths and weaknesses so that he can strengthen his weak areas and more strengthen his strength areas. And it will boost his confidence by eliminating the exam phobia and exam anxiety, where most of the aspirants fail because they fail to control this area. And it helps to achieve the higher score. And evaluation your preparation process, if it is necessary, you can strategize and re-strategize your preparation, and you can achieve the best results through enough revisions also. So let me now discuss about the test series in KSR IAS Academy, which we call as GNAN. We started as a young institute, but we achieved tremendous results because of our course plan. First of all, let me discuss about the test series which followed by the other institutes. They provide only weekend tests, and there is no emphasizing on the answer writing practice, not exams. And they classroom explanation will be almost like namesake, no emphasis upon the essay, and nominal personal feedback in the mains examination. These are the most important aspects where the aspirant need the actual guidance, but where he fails to getting so. Let me now discuss about the KSR IAS Academy's plan. Our program highlights upon the test papers, which not only focus upon the factual knowledge, but also upon the analytical skills according to the UPSC pattern. Next, in our program, these daily tests are very much important. The classes the syllabus which is covered in the previous day, the student must attempt a daily test of both prelims plus mains, in the consecutive day. This enables the aspirant always to be on track with the preparation process and to be on schedule along with the classroom program. And we never misses upon the mains answer writing practice. We at least give 3 days mains answer writing practice through subject experts, so that aspirant will never miss his mains mark. And we also focus upon the essay module. Every successful aspirant, he knows that essay, ethics, and optional. These are engines of our success. If you lose in any of these papers, you can lose the exam. That is very much clear. So we never misses upon the essay module. Essay will module, we conduct classes along with the writing practices and tests. Along with all this schedule, we also have the weekend tests of both prelims and mains as per the provided schedule, which will be providing when the program starts. Test explanation will be given by the subject expert right after the exam, and subsectional test, sectional test, and mock test will be covered after the completion of the course, and that never will be neglected. Next, performance analysis. This is the most important aspect. We personally monitor the student and we analyze his performance. If there is any lapse in his performance, we focus upon him so that he catch up with the other students and he succeeds in the examination process. Next, there is always performance monitoring upon the poor outcome candidate through expert guidance. After the completion of this program, every aspirant will be practicing more than 15,000 MCQs upon the static syllabus and also upon the current affairs, so that he will be expert and ready to face the examination. This program not only focus upon the examination process, it also helps the aspirant to prepare such a strategy so that he can clear the prelims and mains exam very easily. So let me now reiterate again upon the same point that practice more. It is better to sweat in practice rather to bleed in war. So practice more during the exam, re-strategize yourself, enhance yourself, revise more, practice more, and all the best for your examination. Thank you. Have a great day.